Where are we gonna go, Brielle?
To somewhere we can.
Kayak. Yeah. Daddy got a kayak for Christmas, an inflatable one. We're gonna go check it out for the first time. Who's excited to kayak?
Me!
I'm excited to kayak too. But first, safety first. We gotta get Brielle a life jacket, right?
Yep. Hi. What we're gonna see today is our boat going on water. My brother and my mom are at the house. They're gonna miss all the fun. We're gonna have so much fun. So much fun. Any questions? And that's where we're going to Weeki Wachee River. Does the river have mermaids in it? No. We're gonna go where the mermaids are. But some mermaids might swim up to us. Right, Daddy?
Can you get it? Can you pick it up? You can't drag, okay? You got it? Atta girl.
So heavy.
I know.
I got it.
So I'll make sure you pick it up. Okay.
Tiny.
You're good.
So hard.
I know. I can pick it up if you need me to. Well. All right. Got your seat?
Ready?
All right. Don't paddle yet, okay?
I know. Is it cold on your feet?
Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too
Let
bad.
me help you. Get in.
Hold on. You're okay. Okay, I'm not sure if this is working. We just dropped the GoPro. Pedal on this side. Why are we not coming All right, Brielle, what do you think of your first trip in the kayak?
Oh.
It's cool. I'm pretty bummed we dropped my GoPro in the water and the waterproof door somehow was open or opened or whatnot. So see about fixing it and if it's got any life left in it. But it was a good first run in the kayak, huh? Pretty nice.